Oh yeah, baby. Oh my God, it's stuck on my teeth. What's up, you guys? All right, today we are saying yes to getting pearly whites. If you have been on Instagram or if you follow celebrities, you have probably seen snow teeth whitening. Like I said, Floyd Mayweather, Joanna Krupa, it's been written up in so many magazines. Celebrities claim this is the best. Well, we're gonna put it to the test and compare it to Crest White Strips. I bought these at Walgreens for like $23. But of course, I only have one mouth, so I'm actually gonna have my camera guy behind you use the Crest White Strips for two weeks. I'm gonna use the Snow for 2 weeks. We're gonna compare our before and after pictures, and then we will know which one is actually better. And then we'll go on a little field trip and get the real medical scoop from my dentist. So are you guys ready? I know I am. Let's do this. All right, so Moose is going to be doing the Crest White Strips. I'm gonna be doing the Snow. So come in close now, take a look at my teeth.
She already got pearly whites. I don't think she needs these.
And Moose. So first I want to know where I'm starting off. So I'm gonna actually hold up, do a little selfie.
I think a 4.
A 4? So I'm already starting with pretty white teeth. All right, so I'm starting with a 4. And take a little selfie so that I can compare. Okay. There's 2 different wands. There's a maximum strength serum and just the regular one. I'm just gonna use the regular just for this comparison. The Snow is so easy to use. First, brush your teeth, then apply whitening serum as if you're painting your teeth. Plug LED light into your phone and whiten for about 10 to 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
Then remove the LED light and rinse your mouth with some water. All right, so my initial thoughts. You know what? I actually really want to ask the dentist, why LED blue light? Like, why do you have to put this retainer in your mouth? I'm confused. I don't really know. But I was drooling the entire time. I don't know if I just have a lot of saliva in my mouth, but I was drooling. But it didn't hurt. The wand you put on your teeth didn't make them sensitive. I literally just cuddled with my dog for 20 minutes. Not a big deal. I hope that the blue light wasn't bad for his eyes though. Oh, the other thing too is for some reason, the LED kept turning on and off. So I think your phone has to be like lit up. You just have to like pay attention that the blue light is actually on the whole time. The real test is the Snow kit is just under $200. So now we're gonna try the Crest White Strips, which are like $22, and see if there really is a big difference, the cheaper one or the more expensive one. Here we go. These are just no slip white strips. The Crest White Strips you use once a day for 30 minutes. You just peel, stretch, and apply. Uh-oh, I'm already drooling now the bottom. It's like, I can't even get it like to stick on my teeth, you see? Okay, well, I can't even get it like to stay on my teeth. So, this was great.
Many minutes later.
Oh my God, it's stuck on my teeth. Ah! I feel bad for Moose.
Alright, so the past 2 weeks, y'all know, I've been using the Crest White Strips. They're alright, but I only had one major issue, and it was the bottom strip was just not working for me. I tried. There was only 2 times that came out successful, and even then, it was still pretty difficult to keep it at the bottom area sealed. The Crest White Strips do its job for the price, but it just doesn't fulfill the whole premise of white strips. That is my experience that I've had with the Crest White Strips. I'm gonna take it back to Jess.
Dio, I missed you. I miss you, baby.
Oh man, that was not enjoyable. Well, the Snow part, that was easy breezy, lemon sneezy, lemon breezy, lemon squeezy. The Crest White Strips, no thank you. And the worst part of all is I still have this Crest White Strip taste in my mouth. Snow does recommend waiting about an hour after you eat or drink. I have now waited long enough. This girl is hungry and I want to get rid of this taste. So I'm going with my favorite protein bar. It's called Built Bar. These, you guys, are literally like you're eating a chocolate bar, but they're healthy. Why wouldn't you want that? You want some? Oh, now that tastes good. Speaking of flavors, another thing I love about Built Bar is the option of flavors they have. This one is coconut almond. So delicious. Oh my God, they have like so many great flavors and it's healthy, zero guilt. It's like literally eating a chocolate bar. I'm actually also excited to ask my dentist certain foods that you should eat or not eat to keep your teeth white. I wonder if she'll approve of my Built Bar. These are the best. I always just have them in my purse, on the go, healthy and delicious. The texture too, it's like, I feel like some protein bars are like chalky. This is chewy. Cheers. Okay, so my dentist didn't want to be on camera. Totally respect that. So I'm gonna recap what she said. The Snow Teeth Whitening Kit is definitely better than Crest White Strips, and it is one of the better options of teeth whitening kits. She did say, as a dentist, she can't really give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, but she did say the LED light will help your teeth get whiter. She did just say to make sure to be very careful not to get it on your gums. So she didn't poo-poo it, but she didn't necessarily endorse it. So there's a little medical scoop behind Snow. It is time for results. You heard it from me, you heard it from Moose, you heard it from the dentist. Drum roll, the best teeth whitening kit is Snow. No shocker there. It was mess-free. You saw the before and after pictures. Amazing, right? And zero teeth sensitivity. Bonus. Plus, my dentist gave it a thumbs up. So we can just say goodbye to Crest White Strips forever. Hello, thank you, Snow. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I apologize for all the drooling, but I will see you in the next video. Please like, comment, and share. Give the girl some love and her pearly whites. Bye.